So yesterday at work, the owner says to me, can you do something for me? You're probably gonna say no. Well, when you word it like that, now I have to do it, right? So let's pretend the owner's name is Charles and he's serving his table of his friends. So he says to me, go up to that guy and ask him, Charles wants to know if he can tell you a joke. So I'm like, what if he says yes? I don't know any jokes, right? And he's like, no, he's gonna say no, just trust me. Then the phone rings, he's like, I gotta take this call. Then later he's like, did you do it? And I was like, no, I didn't do it yet. And he's like, I'll be right behind you. Like, it's okay. So I'm like, okay, like this is so fucking stupid. So we go up to the table and he says to them, hi everyone, this is Grace. She wants to ask you a question. So then I say to them, oh, Charles wants to know if he can tell you a joke. And then the guy says, no. And then I was like, oh, maybe tomorrow. Trying to add something here instead of just being there awkwardly. And then Charles is like, no, never. So then I just walked away because what the fuck was I supposed to do? Like, why did you bring me over for this bullshit? Then later, Charles comes up to me and he's like, how old are you?